Hey friends, I just wanted to give you an introduction to our class. Both of 621 people and 611 people are sort of in a similar situation with the online classes where I have created sort of something different for you to do. I'm going to show you this video through EDU 621, but EDU 611, folks, yours is almost the same. You'll follow your way through it just identically to the way 621 people have. First of all, there's going to be a picture at the top of the screen. This one says, teaching single subject is like a classic movie. All of the modules in this section, in this class, are going to be based off of movies. And you'll see that very soon, how that works. There's some information about what we're going to do in the course. And then here's my phone number and my email. And please feel free to call me or email me anytime if you have questions or concerns, because I want to help you out here. First, some instructions. You must use Google Chrome or Firefox on this online course. You cannot use Safari or Internet Explorer. It won't work. You'll be in a team of 2 other classmates. You need to contact them immediately because you're going to meet together 2 or 3 times during the course in Google Hangouts. And you'll see in just a minute what that looks like because you're going to teach each other a portion of the reading. Going to the bottom here, we're going to talk once a week, you and I, and the times that you should call me are between 3 o'clock and 6 o'clock on Thursdays. If you remember, my phone number is right here, so I'll be looking forward to that call from you each week, just to see how you're doing and what you're learning. And then the last thing is, to start the course, you're just going to go to the word modules on the menu bar, and that's right here. So I would click on modules, and I'm going to see a list of modules. I only have one here now because I didn't want to confuse you. So I'm going to go to Classroom Management is like Remember the Titans. Remember, everything in this class is going to be have a metaphor of a movie with it. Multiple subject people, your metaphors are going to be fairy tales. So while the single subject folks are doing Classroom Management is like Remember the Titans, you'll be doing Classroom Management is like Mary Poppins. And when you open your class, you'll see that. So instead of having to go through a list of things, all I have to do is click down here at the bottom on these arrows, and it advances me to a slide. On each slide, there's going to be some things for me to read and probably something for me to do. In this slide, and on every first slide of every module, there'll be a reflection form. You're going to open it and look at it at the beginning of the class, see the questions that you need to answer at the end of this module, and then at the very end, you're going to type it out and submit it. The way this works is you cannot submit it as you go along. You can only submit it one time. So you can keep track of the answers to these as you go. You could write yourself some notes, but at the end, you're going to just type in some answers to the questions. So if I'm up here and I'm on this form, all I have to do is click next to it to go back to Canvas. And then I click to the next slide. Some things for me to read. And here there's some activities that I'm going to start doing. I'm going to look at some videos. That's what is coming next. And so I'm going to prepare a T-chart that looks like this, effective and ineffective, because I'm going to look at these videos and see how classroom management is being handled. Is it effective or ineffective on each of these videos? So I would just push play and the video will start. We're not going to watch it now, but you can do that on your own. 3 videos. Here's the second one, and then here's the third one. I have also written what I thought came from Coach Boone and Remember the Titans as far as classroom management. Then you get to here, and I'm going to discuss a website with you. So you're going to open the website by clicking here. And it's got an article that we're going to look at together. There's your version. And I'm going to talk about that article when you click on the video. So you want to open the article and then watch my video. When I'm done, I can close these and go back to Canvas. Next, you're going to be using Prezi to teach your classmates, your teammates, some things about classroom management. So the link works to Prezi right from the PowerPoint, right from the module, and the readings are on the next slide. So team member number 1 is going to read this, and they're going to create a Prezi to present to their other teammates. Team member number 2 reads this, and they're creating a Prezi. Team member number 3 reads this, and they're creating a Prezi. All right? The next slide, you're going to create a virtual classroom based off of what person number 1, teammate number 1 taught you. So you click on Room Planner, and you're going to build your own classroom. Next slide. You're going to do an assignment on what team member number 2 taught you about rules. So you're going to get that assignment here. And so if you notice what I did, I should have talked about it while I did it. It said no preview, so I just went, let me go back. It says no preview available. I just went to File, Open With, Google Docs. And there's the form you need to fill out about rules and procedures. So if at any time you get stuck and something doesn't open like that, just work your way around it. Go to the word File, Open With, and it'll do. Or it'll open it. Or download as Microsoft Word, and you'll be able to get it. Don't let it get you stuck. So after I filled that out, I'm going to upload it as an assignment. And so I just click here. It opens Canvas right back up to where I need to be for that assignment. It repeats the page so that I know what to do. And on your computer, it's going to say Submit Assignment up here. Mine says Speed Grader because I'm responsible to grade your assignments. But it'll say Submit Assignment right up here, and you submit it and upload it, and then I'll get it. So, moving on. Before you run off in victory, you have a few more things to do. You're going to upload the classroom room arrangement that you created. You're going to upload the T-chart that you created. You're going to upload the Prezi, and then you're going to do the final reflection. So each time you make something in one of these modules, you're going to be sending it to me so I get to see it as well. So I hope that makes sense to you, and I'm going to be walking alongside you, and we'll work this through together. If you get confused, then you should call me, and I can help you with it. Thank you very much.